Guys, welcome to another video with me. I'm glad you're here. In case you kindly consider supporting my channel by hitting the like button, dropping me a comment, and clicking the subscribe and notification bell button down below. Thank you. We're going to be talking about Kaspa itself. I know the Kaspa community is completely glued to their screens right now because Kaspa is killing it, holding right next to its all-time highs. Pretty much you could say in price discovery mode. And of course, excitement is definitely in the air right now for Kaspa, a project that started off the year 2024. Quite slow after having the best. It was arguably having, no, not even arguably, it was the top performer in the year 2023. And we're talking about 2023 as being the bear cycle when everything was in red and Kaspa was just absolutely killing it. So we tend to see these types of projects come every bear cycle. There's going to be one or two projects that go insane in a bear market. And Kaspa was one. Will we see another one in the next bear market? Absolutely. I'm very, very confident about that. Which one is it going to be? No one knows. Only time is going to tell. But if you're looking at Kaspa right now, up a staggering 13D guys over the past 24 hours. So the overall momentum is still strong despite Bitcoin seeing a pullback today below $51,000. But of course, Bitcoin can get back above $51 again. But you're seeing Kaspa holding on to its momentum up 13 May with the price currently sitting at 16.5 cents, which is, of course, really nice to see. Also, what's worthwhile noting is that in Bitcoin comparison, Kaspa is up 14.4 with a market cap of $3.07 billion, guys. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $143.08 million, which is, of course, increasing right now. And that is interesting because we tend to see people come out and say, of course, liquidity is an issue for Kaspa. It's not listed on all the major centralized exchanges, but the fact that it has this much amount of trading volume for the exchanges that it's currently listed on is quite impressive and shows you that people want to get their hands on Kaspa. But before we go into it any further, while we can't speak right now before I go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to start with something quite interesting that Silver Kaspa posted. So shout out to Silver Kaspa. Mentions on Twitter that a whale bought 22 million Kaspa within 1 hour. Probably nothing. And this is something we've been speculating on, as you know. There are either some massive amounts of whales that are causing this price action, or it's these exact addresses that we're seeing that are accumulating Kaspa at such a high rate. Could be some exchanges that are potentially going to be listing Kaspa on their platforms. And if you don't know how exchange listings usually occur, exchanges have to buy the coins and hold the coins in their wallet before they list them on their exchange. So that could be it. And this is something I've been speculating on from the beginning. I think it could be either massive whales that are causing this, or it's some massive centralized exchanges that are about to announce and they're accumulating, which of course insiders know about, and they are picking up some Kaspa as well, which is causing the price to explode. So speaking about the price exploding, guys, it has, but guys, it gone up high in just a matter of a few days. So that is something that is not a surprise to have these speculations, the ones that we're referring to right now. But let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. Of course, Bitcoin is worthwhile noting. As you know, it's the king of the market. So Bitcoin did see it make its way down to $50,752 this morning, see a little bit of a pullback. But what we're starting to see with Bitcoin is it's back above $51,600. So that's what's happening. Of course, manipulation does occur more on the weekends as CME futures are close. So of course, we need to be prepared for that. But the way Kaspa is holding right now, it does not seem to be carrying. It's starting to replicate what we were seeing in Q3 of last year, Q3 and Q4 of last year. That same type of momentum Kaspa is starting to get right now. And again, we are 2 hours away from the daily candle to close. And if the daily candle can close back in this range, I think more upside is yet to come. So let's take a look at what's happening on the shorter time scales. I'm going to switch this to the hourly time frame, and then we can take a look at what Kaspa is doing. So let's go back a few days. So you can see this for yourself. We're talking about a movie, guys, of 70 in a matter of the last, you could say February. So you could say the last 10 days, not even 2 weeks, we saw Kaspa go up 70, and I saw some hate comments coming in. Oh, one person was saying 14 gain, and you were considering this parabolic. But these people fail to understand that this is up 70 LLA. This is what's parabolic, not the fact that it's just gotten out of its price. It's in the price discovery mode, not that fact. And this is funny, of course, to me, and as it is to people who understand the stand in this market. But what you're starting to see is we're still in price discovery mode. As far as a little bit of a pullback is concerned, we're only down 2.57 from its all-time high. Put that into perspective. Only a 2.57 retracement since it's an all-time high, which is extremely bullish. And if this can close the daily candle above this target, which is at 1558, I think we could be seeing an 18 cents Kaspa, possibly even later today or potentially even tomorrow. That is only a move of about roughly 10 from the current price levels. And as you guys know, once the price gets into price discovery mode, there's no resistance, there's no support. And I think 18 cents could be a very realistic target that we should be aiming for in the upcoming hours ahead of us. And I think Kaspa has the momentum for itself, has the volume, has the FOMO to reach that market quite fast. And that is, of course, my personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. But so far, Kaspa is doing exactly what we've been projecting on the channel. But let me know down below what you guys think Kaspa is going to be trading at the happening Bitcoin happening, which is approaching faster than you know it, or about, I think, 2 months away for that to happen. Wow, which is, again, I can't wrap my head around the fact that the time is going by so fast. But let me know down below what you guys think. Some people are going with crazy targets. Some are saying we're going to see a 45-cent Kaspa at the happening date. Some are saying 35. I even saw some comments saying $1, but come on, guys, $1 is a little bit of a stretch. But let me know down below what you guys think. And of course, let me know why you think that is going to happen. But right now, we're currently sitting at a $3.07 billion market cap. Let's go to take a look at the competitors. So what you're starting to see is it's approaching, obviously, Cosmos, Teo, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Uniswap, Internet Computer. What I'm starting to feel is that Kaspa has the momentum on its side to get into the top 20 ranks. I'm very confident about that. And that would put the price of Kaspa at around 35 cents, and I can see that happening. Honestly, you can see that happening. It might not happen tomorrow. It might not happen the day after. It's going to take, of course, some time. But the momentum that it has right now, I think, especially if 2 or 3 massive exchanges come and announce this, I'm very confident that we could see these numbers come to life. And that is, of course, going to shock the crypto space, which it already has done. Speaking about shocking the crypto space, everyone at this point is shocked. A lot of people feel like they've missed out completely. And I'm one of the people who feel like I've missed out because I'm telling you, so many of my viewers were begging me to take a look at this coin when I was completely lost. But you win some, you lose some. I'm not too worried about that, but to the Kaspa community, yes, shout out to you guys. You deserve it. You guys do what you guys want to do. At the end of the day, if I were you guys and I was picking it up throughout the bear market and I'm on thousands of I'm locking in profits. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. Let's stop here for now and please support my channel by giving me a like, dropping me a comment, and subscribing to enjoy more interesting updates.